guys, this is Jamie from System22 and GreatWebDesign.com. Here's a short video just to highlight some of Windows' great keyboard shortcuts. These shortcuts should work on most versions of Windows, all the way from XP up to 10. Using Windows keyboard shortcuts can really increase your productivity when you're working on a Windows machine. So I'm going to roll through a few of my favorites here, and there'll be a PDF of various shortcuts for you to download afterwards. So I hope you find this useful. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do, I'm just going to create a blank folder here. It doesn't matter what I call that. Okay, inside this folder, let's create another folder. Call that one. Right, the first thing we're going to do, we're going to copy that folder. Let's make these icons a bit bigger first so you can see what's going on better. We're going to copy this folder using a keyboard shortcut Control-C. Just select it and hit Control-C. And then Control-V to paste it. And I'll hit that again and make another copy. Control-V to make another copy. Control-V, as many as you want. Okay, so let's just name these. To quickly rename something, just highlight it and hit F2. Highlight it, hit F2. Once it's renamed, it jumps to its correct position there. Highlight F2, rename, last one, number 4 here. So that's copying and pasting it. What we can do is select a couple of these and hit Control X. That will cut them. See, they've gone a little blurry there. Go into a folder and hit Control V and paste them. And again, you can paste as many copies as you want. So what that's done, let's make those big again. What that's done, it's taken our 2 from here and we've just pasted them inside there. Now, if you wanted to have them in both places, you just select them, Control-C to copy, as we were doing before, and Control-V will paste them back where they were. Now, to undo something quickly, you can hit Control-Z or Z. Now we'll get rid of those. And if you change your mind, you want to redo it, Control-Y. That should bring them back. There they are. This works just as well with text. If we go in here, let's create a text document. And if we open it up, just type something in there. As you can see, this works just as easily with Words as it does with folders and files or anything you want. These are common commands. So if we just cut that and Control-V, paste it on the end there. And again, we can copy, Control-C and Control-V to paste, and again as many times as you want to do it. Now, if you've got your cursor on the end of a word, you can press Control and the arrow keys, and it'll take you back to the beginning of each word. If you push the other way, it'll take you to the next beginning word. Now, if you take your finger off the control and just do that, it'll take you one step at a time or one letter at a time. That's quite useful. Now, if we wanted to save that, Control-S to save. If I just bring that up again, Alt and F4, that's another way of closing it with a keyboard shortcut. If you've got multiple things going on your computer, many programs and screens up at once, you can hit Alt and Tab, and that'll just let you scroll through your open programs there and get to whichever one you decide you want to go to. So if we go back now, if you've got a lot of programs open again and you decide, oh, I've got to get to my desktop, get to a shortcut quickly, the Windows key and the letter D will take you straight back to your desktop there. Of course, another useful shortcut is just the Windows key, which will bring up your Windows menu right there, and hit it again to close it. Of course, Control, Alt and Delete, that will open your task manager, or this panel here where you can start your task manager and diagnose stuff that's going on with your computer here. That's real useful. And the Windows key plus L, that'll lock your screen. So if you're working in your office, you have to walk away and you've got some sensitive data on there or something, you can just quickly do that, come back, and I'm sure your machine will probably have a password on it. Just enter your password, get back in again. But if you suddenly get called away from your desk or whatever, that's a useful one. And there's many more. I hope that's been useful to you. Like I say, there'll be a list of them down below. And if you learn these things, they really will help you out. You'll get a lot more done on your computer in a shorter space of time. So I hope that's been useful to you. Once again, this has been Jamie from System 22 and GreatWebDesign.com. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.